In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to bend a line in Adobe Illustrator using one of the easiest and most beginner-friendly tools available. If you've ever drawn a straight path and then realized you needed a smooth curve instead, this quick technique will save you time and frustration. Whether you're designing logos, illustrations, icons, or custom shapes, knowing how to bend a line properly is a fundamental Illustrator skill. Make sure to stick around until the end so you can confidently reshape any line in just a few clicks. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Adobe Illustrator tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your Adobe Illustrator project and locate the line you want to bend. This can be any straight path created with the Line Segment tool, or even part of a larger shape. Go ahead and select the line using the Selection tool, which is the black arrow at the top of your toolbar. Simply click directly on the line so you can see the anchor points at each end. Selecting the line is important because Illustrator needs to know which path you're about to edit. Once your line is selected, head over to the toolbar and choose the Curvature tool. If you don't immediately see it, you can click and hold on the pen tool to reveal additional options, and then select the Curvature tool from the dropdown. The Curvature tool is perfect for creating smooth, natural curves without manually adjusting handles like you would with the pen tool. Now, here's the key step. With the Curvature tool active, move your cursor to the middle of the line. You don't need to be perfectly centered, but aim roughly halfway between the two anchor points. Click once directly on the path. When you do this, Illustrator adds a new anchor point to that location. After clicking, keep your mouse button held down and drag your cursor upward or downward. As you drag, you'll see the straight line begin to bend into a smooth curve. Drag upward to create an arc in one direction, or drag downward to bend it the opposite way. The further you drag, the more dramatic the curve becomes. If the curve feels too strong, simply drag less to soften it. If you need to refine the curve even more, you can click and drag the new anchor point again to adjust it. You can also click anywhere else along the path to add additional anchor points and create more complex curves. This gives you full flexibility to shape the line exactly how you want. If at any point you want to straighten the line again, simply double-click on the anchor point you added with the Curvature tool. This converts the curve point back into a straight corner point. That's a quick way to undo the bend without deleting the entire path. And that's really all there is to it. Select the line, choose the Curvature tool, click in the middle of the line, and drag to bend. It's a simple 4-step process, but it gives you powerful control over your designs. Being comfortable with bending lines opens up a lot of creative possibilities in Illustrator, from creating waves and arches to building custom shapes and detailed illustrations. Practice experimenting with different drag distances and additional anchor points so you can see how the curves behave. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Adobe Illustrator guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.